Hey guys, I know that this video is kind of different from any other pack with me travel hack sort of video, but I wanted it to be, raw and really truly what it's like to pack. It's not fun, it's not edited, there's no cool overlays and transfers and this, that, and the other thing. It's kind of stressful and you just want to make sure everything fits and that you're not going to get in trouble with the weight or how many bags you have to check. And so as this giant truck goes by, I just wanted to be able to show you guys that. In the next 6 weeks or so, I'm going to have videos about my time in London and abroad and everything that I'm going to do, so be sure to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it's awesome and you guys like to travel and like to see what other people own and what they bring places. So on the bottom of my suitcase I packed my shoes. I stuffed socks and underwear in them just to make sure that it all fit and it wasn't wasting any space. In the bag I have a pair of pretty much the most comfortable walking sandals I ever have owned and some shower shoes, and then I have running shoes and walking shoes and then nice boots for when I have to go to musicals and do important things. For the rest of the space, I plan on just rolling all my shirts and everything else. And we're gonna do that now. So this is what my luggage looks like, totally packed. Everything is rolled or folded in there. All my clothes fit, and there's actually a lot of space, which makes me sad that I couldn't have fit it all in the carry-on, and then everything fits there. Alright, so in my carry-on suitcase, what I've done is I've put an extension cord, and to keep it wrapped up nicely, I put it in a toilet paper tube, and the notebook for my classes in this pocket. Extension cord is a travel life hack because you have one adapter and multiple things to charge. And then as for what's in here, I have my camera case, an extra outfit, and pajamas in case my luggage gets lost, my computer charger, and then this really cool 31 bag that's full of things. Let's investigate. So technically this 31 bag is a makeup bag, but I bought a new one specifically for this trip, and I just don't have enough makeup to fill this up, so I'm using it for something else. In here, I have my hairbrush and feminine products because you never know like how much you're gonna need. And then I also have this money pouch thing. It's kind of like a fanny pack, but it goes under your clothes, which I'm taking to Paris because pickpocketers are notorious there. And then I have some envelopes here in case I end up sending any letters. I didn't want them to get damaged and I didn't want to spend money on something I already had. So on this side, I just have my vitamins and emergency chewables because the bottles did not fit, so I had to bag them up and I labeled them. And then I have tissue, some medication, and I put Q-tips in here, and once those are done I'm going to have to buy a zero waste thing for Q-tips. In this pocket I have just a razor, a new razor. The topper just fell off of it, but you can't bring safety razors on flights, so I just have this razor. And then in this pocket here, I have an extra toothbrush because, you know, what if my toothbrush falls apart? So I'm bringing that. And then I have some soap for washing my body. And what I'm trying for the first time ever is bar shampoo and conditioner because it's easier to get these through customs since they're solid instead of liquid. And this company had some really good reviews. It's Ethique. And I just got the sampler, which includes 3 shampoo bars samples and then 2 conditioner samples. So I'm excited to see how those turn out because when I come back, if I really like the product, then I will continue using it. And then, is there anything in here? And then I just have my deodorant in here. Once I use this up, I'm going to be putting my own in this deodorant tube. And that's it for my carry-on bag. So I'm bringing my backpack as my personal item. You can have a personal item to go under the seat and then carry on to go in the little cupboards above. And I'm actually going to be stuffing my purse inside, but I wanted to have a smaller bag that I'd be able to carry around when I'm exploring the city and everything. So in here I just have my wallet, my passport, and like my important papers. So we're not actually going to get into that. But we will get into this. So I usually have pins all over it, but I mean, you can tell since it's kind of destroyed right there. But I took them off because I did not want them to break or them to get lost or to get in trouble because they could be considered weapons. I don't know if that's true or not, but didn't want to take it. So there's nothing in this pouch because it's so easily accessible, and I just didn't want to put anything in it. But in this side pouch right here, I've got all of my pens. I went through and a pencil and made sure that I had the pens that I needed, and I color coded my life, so I have a bunch of colors. And then on the other side, in this pouch, I have some snacks. Ooh, yum. Because they didn't really fit anywhere else. And then in this pouch, I have my external hard drive and some Kleenex and some lotion that I actually probably should not bring because I already have 2. So we're going to put that away. And then in this top pouch right here, let's see. I've got hand sanitizer, chapstick, my handkerchief, my hand is stuck, some more hand sanitizer, one of my favorite pens, a hair tie, and some headphones in case my other ones break. And then on the inside, oh, I also have my laptop in this back pouch, Wi-Fi off. So in this pouch, obviously I will have to do some better organization to be able to stuff my purse in there. But looking in, this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to pull everything out because that's a little bit of a wild mess. So we have the famous phone charger, which everybody needs. I have another pouch of snacks. The ones on the side didn't fit in here, but in case I get hungry on the plane, I need some snacks. A bag of liquid, so I've got lotion, my liquid foundation, body spray, face cleanser, saline, and my contacts in there. So that's easy access. My bullet journal, my planner, my new journal to just write, and my London journal. If you cannot tell, I am a visual learner. This helps me stay organized because I can see what I need to do. And then if I get really bored, a word search. I love word searches. I also have my reusable water bottle, which I got from Starbucks specifically for this trip because this part comes off, this top part, so it's easier to wash the entire thing. In here I have all of my makeup and like just some extra things that didn't really fit anywhere else. So like my retainer, which I'm not going to show you, makeup brushes, stuff like that is all in here. And I didn't want this to get lost because I'm going to put my toothbrush in there in the morning and my glasses case. So I definitely want to have it with me at all times. And then my adapter, I got this on Amazon. It said it was a universal adapter, but that is not true because when you open it, this is so cool because like it's got this and then it's got that push release button and then all of this, but it says US, Australia, United Kingdom, and the European Union. So you can only use this in like Western countries, which kind of sucks. So it's definitely not universal, but it's still a good investment. And then I'm bringing card games because I feel like that's the best way to meet friends. So I have Uno in here, and then just another deck of cards, and then the sequel to Uno, Dos. So definitely I'm going to try to make some friends with this because I love playing card games, especially Uno and like Egyptian rat screw and stuff. And then that is it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!